Okay, so right now I'm going to head out downtown and meet up with my buddy Brandon. I'm going to be dumpster diving for food for the first time, so we're going to be looking through the trash and seeing what kind of free food we can get.
Ew!
Alright, so you said you saw some bread?
Yes, bread here.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of bread.
Even organic bread.
Oh, dope.
Probably some gluten-free.
I can see some apples.
Yes. So the key to dumpster diving is all about just diving deeper, because the more you dive deeper, the more you'll find.
Yeah, and the more likely some rancid, rotting shit's been on top of it too. Solid logic.
Right, so you said most of the good shit's at the bottom, right?
Yes, good shit. Like 70-80% of the time, it's edible. Usually whenever I do dumpster diving.
Right.
Yeah, what's your standard for edible though? Like edible with occasional violent projectile vomiting doesn't count as edible, does it?
So, I'm gonna show you some bread. This is spelt in rye loaf.
Okay.
And let's check the expiry date. It says, I don't know if you can read that.
What does it say?
It says 10/2017.
Okay, so
November.
few months, yeah.
November.
No, the bread's not gonna fucking expire in 3 months, you fucking idiot. Are you serious?
See, 3 months.
Yeah.
I made the guess that it would be 2 or 3 months.
Oh, well, aren't you a good guesser? Tell you what, you hang on to that bread for 3 months, then make a sandwich out of it. Let me know how you go. Fuck, make a sandwich out of it in 3 weeks. Fuck me.
Yeah.
This is gonna go bad in 2 or 3 months. So, and they're throwing it away. It's just so wasteful.
Yeah, it's horseshit.
Actually, horse shit might even be a safer option. At least you'd know it's only digested grains and grass and shit, as opposed to rotting food, used syringes, rodents, industrial cleaning chemicals, shit like that.
You know what, let's just lay it out on the ground.
Yeah, totally.
So we can...
What?
I stepped on milk and it just exploded.
Oh, gross.
I gotta watch where I'm stepping.
I stepped on milk and it just exploded. Oh, gross. I gotta watch where I'm stepping.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Kamet flour, water, sourdough yeast. Sell by 10/2017.
Okay, so
Same
another
deal.
like 3 months.
This is good.
No, it's fucking not.
Yeah.
This is good.
Richard, you should listen to what your commenters are saying more. There's some switched on people amongst them. Like Jedi Mystery says, these guys are so retarded that they can't even read a fucking expiry sticker correctly. The month is in 3 tiny letters. The 10 is the day, you fucking retards. And this idiot is giving health advice. Grainfields Breads does not last for 3 months, you retard. And that actually makes a lot of sense. The bread expired on the 10th, being yesterday. That's why it's in the fucking dumpster.
Let's get everything and we'll lay it out on the ground so we can document how much we salvaged.
Right, totally.
Or take Radiation Network, who says you geniuses can't even read or properly date known food sources. Fresh bread doesn't last for several months and the label said July 10, 2017. Also, each item that was tossed was deemed unfit for human consumption on a case-by-case decision. Repeated foodborne illness from pathogenic bacteria like E. coli, salmonella, listeria, etc. is very common for dumpster divers. Dumpsters are laden with bacteria, pests such as flies, roaches and rodents. Dumpsters are sprayed routinely by pest control operators with pesticides. Tossed food is thrown away because of expiration, lack of refrigeration, has come into contact with pathogens, chemicals and even human plus animal waste such as urine and fecal matter, and eating it is riskier than you guys can even grasp. In the USA, there are 48 million yearly cases of acute gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis? Fuck it, gastroenteritis, are caused by known pathogens in food. That's 1 in 6 people a year. But most dumpster divers get sick from food poisoning every year. Many assume they just had the flu.
Just keep on going.
Ace Bakery. Let me check if it's vegan first.
Never mind the used syringes and rat corpses. This stale garbage is vegan. You beauty.
Yeah, like most breads are vegan,
That's
so...
it. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Sorry. You'd be surprised. I've seen some breads with eggs.
Eggs? That is fucking disgusting.
Well, yeah, I know that happens. But for the most part... Yeah, check out all that milk. Holy crap.
This is grass-fed milk too.
Yeah,
This is
what
even worse for the environment.
How, what's the expiry date on that stuff?
Check that.
But there you kind of like have to throw it away. I mean, it's not supposed to last more than a few days anyway.
What?
Right. Still, though.
So it says 12, 10, 55. What?
That's a batch number. Or something like
I don't know. doesn't say. This one. It's 1046.
Well, the thing too is just because there's an expiry date doesn't necessarily mean it's expired, so...
My God, you are clueless. And I think I've demonstrated my point, so let's wrap this up.
Show you guys what I got.
So these are, like vegan, I believe they're organic, yeah, they are organic, like hot dog bun type things. I also got 2 different loaves of bread. This is Kamut whole grain, and there's a different one here. This is vegan buckwheat and chia seed bread. Also got two tubs of this organic orange juice right here. Got a big tub of, oh damn it, silk soy milk, or no, sorry, coconut milk. And these are the vegan sausages, so...
You know that this is at least $30 worth of food, probably closer to $40, so...
No, it's $0 worth of rubbish you fished out of the bin, you dickhead. Now before I go, and I hope this doesn't seem too forward, but it would be just delightful if I could get some indication that ex-vegan wolf of yours is still alive and well. Good Wolfie.
What a relief! When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and
And as always, keep making those vegan and dumpster dive gains.